everybody, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Margo with My Favorite Quilt Store. Hope you're doing great today. We wanted to show you this little product that we have had so much fun with making these table runners. So this is a kit and a set of Fat 8s that Riley Blake came up with. It's in this cute Crayola box. It's their cotton solids that they have in this, and they're Fat 8s. And it comes curated with all the colors you need to make this cute pattern on the back. And the pattern is free with the Crayola kit of colors.
Yes.
So it's just like coloring with colors.
And you can see all of the different colors here. What is really fun is they used all of their solids.
Yes.
So it's a bunch of different mixtures.
Yeah, the confetti cotton solids. So lots of different fun colors. So what we've done is we've taken it and we've added a yard of fabric for the background and a half yard for the binding, and made this whole thing as a quilt kit.
Yes.
And we did this one with a little bit of a fun motif on the back. We have it in solid white, but you can also do it. I like it personally with a little bit of writing or color in the background, because
it's like a nice pizzazz.
I think with the solids it helps. And then we did some fun quilting in the on the table runner on our machine.
Yeah,
to kind of make it fun. And
you put some joy on here.
I put a little joy on each of the tops of the stockings.
My mother made us stockings growing up, so she would probably put all of our names, the three kids.
You know, I thought about that. I thought about that. So anyway, I only had one child, so I'd have to just put one name all the way across the top. So
William, James, and Will.
Yeah.
There you go.
So we have a lot of these kits made up already online to choose from. So we have dots, we have words, we've got candy canes, we've got a solid white, anything you're looking for to make the background that we have already set up as kits. So all you have to do is pick it up and go. These are on sale right now for $10.99. So I think that's a great price for this Fat 8th bundle. And I think you'll enjoy this project a lot. And what a great fun thing to make for a lot of different people in your family.
Absolutely. And you can also purchase these Fat 8s by themselves as well, in case you want to put like a wooden background and kind of make it look like maybe you have them hanging on your, you know.
So you just add to this a yard of background and a half a yard of binding, and you got your table runner made. So anyway, we hope you enjoy this, and happy sewing.